I've been shopping for audio equipment at the local Goodwill store for a long time, but never have I found something quite this epic. This is the DBX SNR-1 single-ended noise reduction system. I got it for all of $30, as seen on, hang on, the price tag right here, in case any of you don't believe me, $29.95. Now, to put this in perspective, exactly how much of a steal this is, I checked eBay, and currently, at the time of recording this, it was going for $300. So, yeah. Quite a steal, I have to say. But it's not just because of the price that this thing's interesting. It's also because of exactly what it does. This will remove noise from virtually anything. Cassettes, FM, AM radio, CDs recorded from analog masters, you name it, it removes noise. And what they mean by single-ended is that it does not need to have any encoding during the recording process of the source. It just takes anything and removes noise from it. So, it's a pretty useful device, as probably some of you can imagine. So, the way it works is it dynamically determines the optimal cutoff frequency for the noise reduction based on how much high-frequency content is in the source that you're feeding to it. And here, let me turn this on. It indicates the cutoff frequency it's chosen on this bar graph over here. But then it also has another thing, where it will allow you to set the volume threshold at which it starts cutting off the whatever noise or whatever falls into the cutoff range. It lets you set the how quiet the source needs to be in order for it to do that from here, and then indicates where the source is coming out on here. Now, at the moment I don't have this hooked up to any audio sources or anything, so I can't really fully demonstrate this, but I do have it plugged in so we can kind of light things up a bit. So, but then the other functions is from here we have this pre and post function. When setting it, this sets whether the noise reduction occurs before or after the tape feed that goes through here, which basically ends up selecting whether or not the effect gets recorded. So, pre means it would be recorded, post means it wouldn't be. This bypass button basically just kind of defeats the effect, just kind of makes it do basically nothing. And then source and tape over here, select whether it will feed your receiver, preamp, integrated amp, or whatever you have playing that role, whether it feeds the source signal that's being sent to it from the recording feed, or, if you select it this way, the signal from the tape deck that's connected to it. So, either way, at the moment I still have to kind of hook this thing up and fully test it out, and then maybe I'll do a demonstration video at some point when I have it fully hooked up to my audio system and the rest of the equipment there is working totally properly. Currently having some issues with the cassette deck, but that's another issue entirely. But yeah, this was my epic Goodwill find of the day. Hope you enjoyed, and hopefully there will be more soon. Thanks for watching.